Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Vidapool VRPC01 Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot, ideal for above pools. LED indicator with intelligent navigation, auto parking, color white. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Efficient dirt removal. Vidapool's pool cleaning robot, equipped with a strong motor, excels at efficiently removing dirt. Dual intake ports and 2 brushes enhance its performance with debris and leaf collection. Intelligent poolside parking. Upon detecting low battery or finishing the cleaning task, our pool cleaning robot intelligently parks itself near the pool edge. Use the hook for a hassle-free retrieval. Simple and quick activation. Initiate the automatic pool cleaner's operation with a straightforward switch press. No pumps or additional attachments required. Just power it on, submerge it in the in-ground pool, and watch our pool robot in action. Mess-free pool cleaning. Vidapool's cordless robotic pool cleaner ensures a clean pool without the hassle of hoses or wires. Save energy while enhancing cleaning effectiveness. Just activate it, immerse it in the pool, and it begins cleaning automatically. Portable pool cleaning solution. Vidapool's cordless pool vacuum, at only 8.3 pounds, offers easy portability to in-ground and above-ground pools. Carry it effortlessly for efficient pool maintenance. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.